Hey there everyone, welcome back to Gaming Basics, and on today's episode of Squad Busters, I'm gonna show you how to connect your Supercell ID to this game. So let's get started. Now once you're on your game, just tap on the 3 bar at the top right corner of your screen. Here you can see an option to connect Supercell ID, so just tap on Connect ID. Now I already have a Supercell ID connected with this device, so my ID is shown in the Switch account section. But if you don't have a Supercell ID connected with your device, then just tap on Login to your Supercell ID, and if you are a new user, then just tap on Register a Supercell ID. So for the new users, go check out my video on how to create Supercell ID. Now to connect the game with your Supercell ID, just tap on Login to Supercell ID. So just tap on Continue and put in your email that is connected with your Supercell ID here. And just tap on Login. Now Supercell will send a verification code to your email address. Just go to your email address and copy that verification code. Here you can see my verification code is 375616. So I'm just gonna type in 375616 in the box and just tap on Submit. And just tap on Confirm. And now your game should be linked with your Supercell ID. Now here you can clearly see my Supercell ID has been linked to this game. And that's it for today's video. If you face any confusion, just leave a comment below and I'll try my best to help you. And if you found this video helpful, be sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more gaming tips as such. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you never miss a future video. Thanks for watching.